Hello, we would like to welcome you to the Beach & Company's Community Association and Property Management Division, serving North and South Carolina. We are a diversified company that is able to handle all of your community association and property needs. Here at the Beach Company, we offer management services for the following: single-family homes, condominium projects, apartment buildings, commercial buildings, office buildings, annual rental management, vacation rentals, absentee owner services, janitorial services, landscaping, pool maintenance, and accounting services to homeowner associations. The Beach & Company's philosophy is to provide quality management services at a cost savings approach. Our goal is to maintain a high level of customer service and giving our clients the best experience possible. We are professional, knowledgeable, and truly care about our customers. The Beach & Company currently manages 15 homeowners associations, maintains over 100 annual rentals, provides beach vacation rentals, and continues to provide all of your real estate buying and selling needs. We take pride in assisting our customers by being a caring, knowledgeable, one-stop shop for all of your home ownership needs. At the Beach & Company, we work for you.